Hello friends, I hope all of you should be following quarantine measures and those who are working from home also doing their work properly, as well as students must have started their studies from home. And you must be using Zoom app too. Am I right? In today's video, we are talking about safety measures to use Zoom app. And today, I am sharing some tips of using Zoom in safe manner. So, let's start with the history of Zoom app. So friends, Zoom app is founded in 2011 by Eric Zone. Its headquarters are in California, USA, or currently servers operated from China. Since 2011 till 2019, Zoom had only 1 crore subscribers, that to 10 million. Since July 2019 till March 2020, it has increased with 20 crore subscribers, that to 200 million since in 9 months due to only quarantine measures. See how Corona, that is COVID-19, is lucky for Zoom. Since all are doing their work from Zoom, but still it is not yet secured. Just today, as per BBC, UK government has referred a case related to law, guest lecturers taking up their class in between, some annoying video starts in between the lecture, to the child's exploitation and online prediction centers, which is a part of National Crime Agency, NCA. As assurance of company, they are going to rectify it soon. Government of India has some guidelines regarding the app. Please follow these tips every time when you use the app. First, create a new user ID and password for each meeting. Second, create the waiting room in the app so that the user will be able to enter the meeting only when the host gives him the permission. Third, disable the join feature before hosting. Fourth, allowing screen sharing by host only. Disabling allow remove participants to rejoin. Sixth, it is recommended to restrict or disable the file transfers. Seventh, when all participants have joined the meeting, it has been advised to log the meeting. 8. Restrict the recording feature. 9. To end the meeting, do not just leave if you are the administrator. Arrive early, start late. Chit-chat as a people enter the virtual room and allows for struggles who may be parenting or homeschooling whomever helps. How far rush has? Oh, wait! Meeting temperature check. Since you can't see body language, you're almost certainly missing people's full reactions. Say, I want to pause here and do a check-in. Just because co-workers are nodding doesn't mean the meeting is successful. Chief Executive Officer of Leaders Factor, Timothy Clark, says a training and consulting organizations assumptions will hurt you. He says, gossips. In the office, everyone hears the rumors of relationships, layoffs, upcoming projects, and so forth. Research shows that sharing information among peers strengthens bond. So, get to the extent appropriate, particularly on beginning topics that team members might miss. Try something like, I hear that Jim has developed a Peloton obsession. Keep it short. 15 minutes online feels like an hour in a conference room. Don't try to have all team members or even half. Speak up every time. Instead, keep the guide trails, forms, and split up needed discussions over the multiple meetings. Zoom has also announced that the country in which you have found deficiencies have been rectified and coordinates in being made with the government of all those countries. Zoom has also announced that the country in which you have found deficiencies have been rectified and coordinates in being made with the government of all those countries. That's all for today. For more information, you can browse my website. Hope you liked my video, and if you liked it, do subscribe, like, share and comment. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye bye.